In today's video, I will show you how you can insert figures in MS Word, format it, and then caption it very easily. Let's start it. Go to Insert, then Pictures. Select any picture or image from your device or laptop. Click Insert. An image has been inserted. Now you can't drag it. Just go to the wrap app and click through, and then now it's movable. You can also resize it very easily according to your requirements. Now, if you want to caption it, just go to References, click Insert Caption. You can see it's automatically by default taken as figure 1. And now just caption it. You can see the label. It has now figure is selected. The position must be below selected item, and then click OK. You can see here a caption has been inserted, and you can format the caption as well according to the thesis format or the paper format. You can make it movable, and then also you make it bold and increase the size and font, etc.